Tabletop Christmas trees. Not everyone is able to enjoy a full-size Christmas tree in their home. For some, budgets may be stretched or space can be at a premium. Others may not have the time to put up a tree this holiday season. Whatever the reason, an alternative to full-size Christmas trees are tabletop plants that can be decorated for the holidays, offered as holiday gifts, and in some cases can be used for several years. Norfolk Island Pines have been used for holiday decorations for many years. They have a series of layered branches, 5 to a layer, that are covered with short, soft, dark green needles. The stems are widely separated, making room for hanging decorations. But in some cases they have a sparse look. Pine tree seedlings are well adapted to container culture, and potted plants can live for several years with minimum care. The problem with these tabletop trees is that when they get too big for the container or the patio, they need to be replanted in the landscape, and not everyone has an appropriate place for them. Besides their use as full-size Christmas trees, the small Leyland cypress rooting cuttings can be used as tabletop decorations as well. Their dark green, smooth, scale-like foliage makes an excellent contrast with red bows and a variety of other decorations. This tree is a hybrid of 2 West Coast relatives of the redwood family. Rosemary is a culinary herb, but Californians may also recognize that it is used as an evergreen shrub. It can also be kept as a potted plant and pruned into many different shapes, including a traditional cone-shaped Christmas tree. Decorations can be added, and the sturdy woody stems can support heavier glass or metal ornaments with little branch droop. The distinctive aroma of rosemary can add to the sense of the holidays. To maintain its shape, trim off branches that grow outside of the desired shape, then use the cuttings for cooking, strewing on walkways to release the aroma, or even add to the grill or fireplace to release their smell. The challenge with caring for this plant is to keep it on the dry side, but not to dry it so much that it dies of drought. Repotting may be needed as they can get root bound, and if put outside in well-drained soil, it can survive most of the temperatures found here. Italian stone pine is an occasionally available holiday plant. Seedlings of this true pine tree have blue-green needles. Young foliage measures about 1 inch long, making this young pine tree look a bit like a Colorado blue spruce, but without the prickly needle feel. They are native to the dry, cool climates of Spain and Portugal, and have been used as a source of pine nuts. So it is also known as the European nut pine. The seedlings of this tree are grown in containers and sheared for a desirable cone shape. During the holidays, they can be found in garden centers and florist shops and can be purchased already decorated as a holiday gift.
Subscribe for more What About videos, as well as food holidays, gardens, and farmers markets.